I am Nisha for Standard 10th. I am presenting here the second chapter of biology, that is control and coordination. But my interesting topic is planting coordination in plant. Let's move. This plant movement is two types. First one is dependent, is also called tropic movement. Second one is independent, is also called nastic movement. So let's move the next topic. Tropic movement. Tropic movement is the directional movement in which the plant's growth, the plant part of a plant which causes growth towards the stimulus or away from the stimulus. If the movement of the part of a plant is towards the stimulus is also called positive tropism. If the movement of the part of a plant is growth away from the stimulus is also called negative tropism. Let's take an example. Root grows towards the gravity is called positive tropism, but stem grows away from the gravity is called negative tropism. Types of tropic movement: phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, hydrotropism and thigmotropism. Phototropism: if the movement of a part of a plant is in response to light. And geotropism: if the movement of a part of plant in response to gravity. Chemotropism: movement of response towards the chemical stimulus. Pollen tube grows towards the ovule during the process of fertilization. Okay, next we move. The next topic is hydrotropism. If the movement of the part of a plant in response to water. Thigmotropism: if the movement of the part of a plant in response to contact or support. So, we can take an example with its, for example, phototropism. Its stimulus is light. So, its example is bending of shoot towards the light. It is sun bending of shoot towards the light. And we take an example of chemotropism. Its stimulus is chemical. So, bending of that is a pollen tube towards the ovule. Geotropism, its stimulus is Earth's gravity. So, roots movement is towards the gravity. Thigmotropism, its stimulus is water. So, root moves towards the water. And last one is thigmotropism. Its stimulus is contact. So, its example is tendril movement. Tendril is a spring, like a spring. Tendril movement is towards the support. Okay. Next we move nastic movement. What is nastic movement? Movement which neither be towards the stimulus or not away from the stimulus. It is growth independently. Okay. Seismonastic. For example, take an example, touch-me-not plant or mimosa plant. Difference between tropic movement and nastic movement. Tropic movement. Tropic movement is the directional movement, but nastic movement is non-directional movement. Tropic movement is growth can take place, but nastic movement is growth does not take place. Tropic movement is slow, but nastic movement is fast.